Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to multiply two numbers represented by linked list. So, the problem statement says, given two numbers represented by linked lists, we have to write a function that returns the multiplication of these two linked lists. Let's see some examples to demonstrate the above problem. In the first example, we have given two linked lists. First linked list as 9, 4, 6 and second linked list as 8, 4. So after multiplying these two linked lists means multiplying 946 with 84, output will be 79,464. In the second example, we have given two linked lists as 3, 2, 1 and 1, 2. After multiplying, we get output as 3852, which is 3852. Let's see the solution to the problem. So what we are actually doing is traversing the both lists and generating the numbers from both the linked list that are to be multiplied and then returning the multiplied value of two numbers. So the question arises, how to generate number from a linked list? Let's see the algorithm to generate number from linked list. Firstly, declare a variable num and initialize it with 0. After that, start traversing the linked list. Add the value of first node to the variable num. From the second node, multiply the variable num by 10 first and then add the value of the node to this variable num. Repeat step 4 until we reach the last node of the list. Now since we have learned how to generate number from linked list, so using this algorithm, let's understand the code of multiplying two number represented as linked list using an example. We have given two linked lists 3, 2, 1 and 1, 2. We pass head of both linked lists first and second respectively in the function multiply two lists. We also declare two variables num1 and num2 where num1 will store number formed by linked list 1 and num2 will store number formed by linked list 2. Also note that return type of this function is long since it will return multiplication of two integers which will be of long type. So initially both num1 and num2 are 0 and first is pointing to 3 and second is pointing to 1. We then start traversing the linked lists. Since first is not null, it will update value of num1 by multiplying num1 with 10 and adding current node data, that is 0 into 10 plus 3, which is 3. So value of num1 becomes 3 and first will move to next node. Then it will enter second if statement and will update value of num2 by the same concept we have updated value of num1. So value of num2 will be equal to 0 into 10 plus 1, which is equal to 1, and will move second to next node. In the next iteration, since first is not null, it will update value of num1 with 3 into 10 plus 2, which is equal to 32, and will move first to next node. Since second is not null, it will enter in the second if and will update num2. So num2 will be equal to 1 into 10 plus 2, which makes num2 as 12, and will move second to next node, which makes second as null. So we get num2 as 12. Since first is still not null, it will again iterate and will update num1. So num1 will be equal to 32 into 10 plus 1, which makes num1 as 321, and will update first with next of first, which is null. Since second is already null, it will not enter the second if condition. Since both first and second are null, we will stop the traversal. So we get num1 as 321 and num2 as 12. Finally, we return the output by multiplying num1 and num2. After multiplication, we get output as 3852. Time complexity of this algorithm is O of max of n1, n2, where n1 and n2 are the number of nodes present in the first and second linked list respectively. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.